everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm bringing you another grocery haul, and today's grocery haul comes from the Kroger Click List. And I really like using that service because, again, it's a time saver. I can just brainstorm my groceries and my menus for the week, and it's really simple just to kind of go through my phone, add in what I want, and then have them do the shopping for me. So I really like that a lot. So I'm going to turn you around and show you what I got, but before that I'm going to tell you our menu this week. We've got a couple of outings this week. So technically I only need 3 dinners, but I did plan for 4. Now, as you know, it is summer season, so I really like summer so that we can, do a lot more grilling outside. So we're having hot dogs. Actually, we're going to have sausages, but actually, they didn't have the hot dogs that I wanted there, so I just decided to go ahead and get my favorite sausages so that we could have that instead. So sausages, burgers, and then we're gonna have chicken tacos because sometimes it's just easier to have something in the crock pot so that you don't have to, worry about dinner on, one of your busier days. And then I'm going to make some chicken salad for my lunches this week. And of course, my husband's going to have his breakfast sandwiches. I got a couple of yogurts just as a backup. I'll probably do a combination of my overnight oats this week for breakfast along with those yogurts. And then he's going to have sandwiches and chips as always. And then I'm probably going to whip up a batch of either, like I said, I'm going to definitely do the chicken salad. I don't know if I'm going to do enough for that for the whole week. But I also grilled up some chicken, so maybe I'll have some chicken wraps. And then I'm thinking of maybe throwing together a chicken burrito bowl. I love chicken burrito bowls, so we'll see if I have time this week to throw those together. So with that said, I'm gonna turn you around and show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing I picked up, they picked up for me, is these Gilbert bourbon apple chicken sausages. And again, this variation is my absolute favorite one. So 3 smart points for 1, 7 smart points for 2. Some Angus beef, the 90-10 version, which is the ground sirloin, 5 smart points per 4 ounces. And this one was on sale, so I was gonna go ahead and pay extra. I normally get the 96 lean, but I'll take the extra point, just to kind of save $2-3 per pound on that. Coffee was on sale, so I went ahead and grabbed one of those. Oven roasted turkey breast. If you are following the WW rule, you know the 98% fat-free or higher lunch meat is 0 smart points, so that one is 0. Thought I would change things up for my husband this week. I got him these classic sub trio mix, and this is 5 smart points per sandwich. So I just thought maybe something different for him. Grabbed a couple of yogurts. This strawberry Yoplait Light. 3 smart points. I would have guessed that to be 2. I'm really glad I scanned that one because I totally would have counted that for 2 points. They had this pineapple Greek yogurt. I'm excited about trying this one because I love pineapple. 2 smart points for that one. And I grabbed this vanilla yogurt for a recipe, so stay tuned for that one. Coffee Mate sugar-free creamer. Actually, I ordered the Kroger brand, and the Kroger brand was out, so they substituted the Coffee Mate for the same price, so score for me. We were totally out of bread, so I picked up 2 things of English muffins, 4 smart points for that. Coffee creamer, 1 smart point per tablespoon. I'm not sure if I said that. So English muffins, 4 smart points each for that. That's for my husband's breakfast sandwiches. Hillbilly bread, 1 for 2, 2 for 3. Aunt Millie's Light is 1 for 1, 2 for 2. We needed, of course, hot dog buns and hamburger buns, 4 smart points each on those. I needed some skim milk, 3 smart points, I think, per cup. If that's different, I'll put it in the notes here. Apples, just because I like apples, and it's nice to have those back on during the day. Sorry about that shakiness there. Frosted Flakes. These were on sale, so it was kind of a impulse buy. I know impulse buy online is kind of crazy, but sometimes I like to have cereal, and sometimes sugary cereals are like a treat for me. Thus the reason why I picked up the milk this week. Usually I'll just use the almond milk, which I still may do to kind of cut back on the points. But anyway, Frosted Flakes, 3/4 cup, came out to be 4 smart points. Bananas and strawberries. Grape tomatoes for salads. Frozen vegetables, and those are 0 as well. And on our WW365 Facebook page, we are doing a Eat More Veggie Challenge. So I picked up some peas and some green beans and some more green beans and some more green beans. So I figured that'll get me through a few, and I do have some more vegetables downstairs in my freezer, along with, again, the salads that I purchased. Grabbed one of these Strawberry Harvest salad kits. This is 5 smart points per serving, and this entire bag has 3.5 servings. Shredded lettuce for my wraps. Romaine lettuce for salads, 0. Salsa is 0 smart points, and I grabbed some of these mandarin oranges because I like to have those on my salads, especially when I'm having that oriental chicken salad that I like. Grabbed a couple of zucchinis. That's for a new recipe that I'm going to try. And I needed grapes for my chicken salad. My husband likes to have these as a backup, so I have these for him, and I just scanned them just in case. 6 smart points. I mean, 6, that's, I don't know. Not worth it to me, but backup for him. I needed some spoons for work, just to keep in my drawer, because I seem to run out of spoons all the time. Better Made barbecue chips for his lunches, just in case you were wondering. 5 smart points per, I think it's 1 ounce serving size. Yep, 1 ounce there. And then Pepsi, Diet Pepsi and Diet Mountain Dew. So I was gonna grab some just for the week, and they were 3 for $5. And then on a special Saturday sale, it was if you buy 5, you get 5, so I totally fell for it. So we have 5 2-liters of pop. That's going to be kind of dangerous for me because I like the pop. So I'm going to have to really pace myself because I try not to drink too much of that. So this is my grocery haul for the week. So hopefully you find some things that you want to try, and hopefully something on my menu has sparked your interest, and maybe you're going to give them a try. Like I said, if you run across these Gilbert bourbon apple sausages, try them. You will not be disappointed. They're so good. All right, so stay tuned for those upcoming recipes that I'm going to be filming for you. And with that said, if you like these grocery hauls, put grocery haul down in the comments. And with that said, we're signing off from here for today. Have a great day. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And I think that's it. I think I got it all in. All right, see ya.